How to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Facebook professional mode option if it's not showing up. So the most common reason for this is that your Facebook profile is locked. So in order to start the process, make sure that you've installed the latest version of Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the homepage, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and go to Settings. Now again, scroll down and then tap on Profile Locking that you will find in the section of Audience and Visibility. If you've locked your profile, there you will see the option of Unlock Your Profile. Now come back, open Followers and Public Content page. There you will see the option of Try Professional Mode, which is highlighted in blue color. And once you tap on it, tap on Turn On again, and you will be able to turn your Facebook into a professional page. And the problem should be now fixed. So remember to unlock your profile to see this option. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.